In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Google Meet call directly from Gmail. This straightforward process only takes about 5 minutes, and by the end of it, you'll be able to seamlessly join your meetings without leaving your email. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll begin by heading over to Google Meet. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and type in the Google Meet landing page at meet.google.com. This is the starting point for accessing Google's video conferencing service. Once you're there, you might notice a bit of a new interface if you haven't visited lately, but don't worry, these steps will guide you through efficiently. Now that you've arrived at the Google Meet page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you will see an icon that resembles a grid of small squares, often referred to as the waffle icon. This feature provides a handy way to access various Google services all from one place, making your navigation super efficient. Click on this waffle icon and a menu will drop down, showing you all the Google apps available at your fingertips. Look through the grid for the Gmail icon. It's typically easy to spot because of its distinctive envelope shape with a red border. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to your Gmail inbox. With Gmail open, now focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a sidebar with several options clearly labelled. Among these, you should see a section titled Meet. Sometimes you might need to scroll down slightly if it's not immediately visible. Click on Meet, which will expand this section, giving you a couple more options to explore. In this expanded Meet section, you'll see an option that says Join a Meeting. This is where you want to be to seamlessly connect to your scheduled calls. Click on Join Now and you're all set to enter your meeting. This handy integration allows you to jump into your Google Meet calls directly without needing additional tabs or delays, keeping everything nice and tidy within Gmail. And there you have it, you're right where you need to be, all ready to catch up visually with your team or attend your online class all through your Gmail interface. Remember, this streamlined process adds convenience to your daily workflow, saving you time and effort. As always, make sure you've got a stable internet connection before starting your meeting so everything runs smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy to follow tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic meeting experience.